Hey, what's going on? This is the next episode. Starting to work on the inside walls here. I'm gonna rip them down because there was a huge gap when I did the ceiling, because this used to be plaster. So all along both inside walls, and that's where the beam used to be. I could probably mud all that, but I just think that would look super tacky. So I figured I've gone this far, might as well knock down 2 more walls, do some new drywall, and then maybe add an extra plug on one of the walls here since I have the interior wall ripped apart. But I was gonna just film a video after I ripped the wall down. I did find a couple treasures inside the wall. But no, I started ripping down the drywall and this whole thing isn't even screwed on. Like I just broke the bottom free and the whole thing just came out. So that's kind of where I'm at. Hopefully the rest goes this easy. All right, so that was like, I don't know, 15 minutes. Got all that off. You can see the original wall, and then you can see where they framed in the closet here. So, no idea what the metal stuff is. Not really sure how to do that yet, but we'll cross that bridge. And then we're gonna take this one down too. But I'm getting pretty hungry, so it's lunchtime. All right, got all the lath off on this side and above there. So that's calling it good for right now. I did forget to tell you, I hung one sheet. I had one sheet left over. Unfortunately, it's been snowing like crazy out there, so I haven't been able to use my trailer, go to Home Depot, get some more drywall. Otherwise, this probably would be finished on these sides, but the reason too I'm taking it off is because I need to redo these corners and I need to redo that corner, which is why that wall is coming down too. This wasn't too bad. Really getting sick of working on plaster though. Okay, haven't updated you in a second here. I ended up getting all the drywall done across here, around the windows, the outlets, this. I've got one more sheet. I had it cut, but I didn't really know exactly what I was doing with the HVAC vent. The corner I had to brace over here. Of course, in typical My Life fashion, that one snapped in half, so I think that'll be good. I don't really think I'm gonna take down this wall. I can fill that gap. The wall's not messed up, so I'd rather not take down another wall. And then the closet here, I don't know how I'm gonna do this, so I left the drywall long because I can always cut it back. So that's not bad. All the corners are good. I didn't really even think about it. I didn't want this to end up here. I wanted this line to end up here. But by the time I already cut, glued and everything, before I realized that was there, I think it should be fine. I mean, the house is really old, so it's essentially settled as far as it can go. So I think that should be good. I'm gonna wait for that one until it's a little bit warmer to tape and mud that. Other than that, like I said, I think it should be good. These weren't too bad. I used this little yellow thing right here that snapped onto the box, and then I just slammed the sheet up against it, and then it marked it from the little holes here. And then on the back of the sheet, I just took the multi-tool and kind of notched around it. It worked out great. And my stuff's sitting all flush. That's just with the cover on, just to see what it would look like. So, hey, the next video, I should be starting to rip up the floor. I'm gonna take up all the floor in this room. I would like to save it, but unfortunately when they did the wall, they cut it really weird, and there's no way I can save that and make it look decent. So I'm just gonna take the floor up, do 1/2-inch OSB. Both bedrooms are getting carpet, and then the rest of the house is getting laminate. So thanks for watching. This is the next update, and the next one, like I said, should be floors up. So thank you.